Welcome to the latest episode of Research That Matters. This is our weekly post about what the science and what the research says about topics that matter to you. I'm Dr. Chris Freitag with Lavaca County Chiropractic in Hallettsville, Texas. And today we are talking about whiplash. Here are 3 big reasons to see your chiropractor. So whiplash injuries used to be considered no big deal, but times have definitely changed. Doctors now know that whiplash can cause lifelong pain and disability if not properly cared for when they occur during a car accident. Your head moves forward and backward suddenly and with a tremendous amount of force. Even low-speed collisions can generate enough force to injure the delicate ligaments in your neck. During a whiplash injury, your head and neck, they extend beyond their normal range of motion. This can create partial tears to the ligaments around your spine and even injure your discs, nerves, and muscles. A few key indicators that you may have suffered an injury include headaches, dizziness, and pain moving down into your arms and shoulders. So whiplash injuries can be severe and often cause permanent injuries to the ligaments of the neck as a result of the rapid back and forth movement during an accident. Over 80% of people involved in a car accident will have whiplash injuries, and more than 50% of people with neck pain after a car accident will continue to have pain 1 year after their initial injury. So there's your research highlight for today. 80% of people in a car accident will have whiplash injuries, and more than 50% will still have pain 1 year later. Receiving the proper diagnosis and care immediately can reduce your likelihood of struggling with a lifetime of chronic pain. Our practice is focused on accurately assessing, documenting, and treating people that have been involved in car accidents so you can get your life back as quickly as possible. If you or someone you know has been involved in an auto accident, please schedule an appointment with us today. So thank you for joining me today for the latest episode of Research That Matters. Have a wonderful day. Click the follow or the like button to make sure that you continue to receive the latest updates from the Research That Matters. And then click the share button to pass this on to someone in your life that you know that maybe just dealt with an auto accident and needs to know that chiropractic care can help them get their life back as quickly as possible.